Hello guys, back with another video here, and now we're gonna try and figure out a lot of stuff that we can do, which what I mean by that is like actually exploring more biomes, getting some diamonds, or trying to get some diamonds. In this video, I don't know if we're gonna be able to get diamonds in this video. We might be able to. I have no idea. But even if we don't, it's okay. I'm not using my face cam because when I try to hit the controls to move, now it's starting to, it's like getting annoying because my camera is right next to it because I'm on phone. Yeah, and, so when I have this, app to make it where you guys can still watch my videos, is where, yeah, that's what I'm saying. You understand what I'm saying, though? Because I mentioned this in a different video, but I don't think I uploaded it because, I had a little bit of minor mistakes. And I'm not saying what. Woo! What? Okay, I thought I heard some more stuff, though. Keep on hitting the button that's right there in the middle, and it makes me crouch. It's starting to annoy me. I'm going to start placing some of these oak saplings down when I get about another 10 more. And yeah, I'm stopping right now, so because I had to figure something out. I'm thinking. Okay, I figured out what we were gonna do. By accident, I hit pause, but I figured out what we were gonna do. I'm gonna kill this spider real quick so I can get some spider eyes, I guess. What I was trying to get was some string so I could do some stuff, and you'd see what I was gonna do. Here, I have some already though, but I just didn't want to really use this one right here. And it's using a tripwire. So yeah, and I'm needing some string so I can use it. So when you'll figure it out. But anyway, we're gonna figure out how to craft it again. Okay, we need iron and wood. And give me a piece of wood real quick. Honking. Tripwire. There we go. Now get rid of the wood real quick. Well, anyways, I'll just do this real quick. I'll put the iron right here real quick. And then I'll put some more wood in here. And now I'm going to try and make this tripwire. Okay. You'll see what I'm trying to make in a second. Now, place to put that in. Okay, I'm gonna get some. Wait a second. I'm gonna get me some more sand and get one more piece of sand so I can actually put that. Well, I can't. I forgot. Yeah. But now I'm gonna put that right there. I'm gonna do that so it makes it look like it's just the entryway, so I forget about it too. Then I'm gonna put string there, and then bang. And it's really hard to see when you do that. You hit it. I forgot how to do. I'm trying to remember real quick. Okay. We're gonna need some redstone to do a lot of this stuff. And a lot of this is gonna be hard. I'm gonna need some more. A whole lot more. And I mean a whole lot more. Okay. So we have to do something like that right there. Give me this under here. Okay, do that with something. There we go. Okay, so we know how to do that. Okay. This one we're I don't know. If we I don't know. Okay, no wait. Oh, one second, guys. I have a question. You can. Oh, okay, then I got an idea. But we're gonna have to take all this down right here. So we're gonna have to get some redstone. No, we're not gonna have to get any redstone at all. So all we're gonna have to do is get a dispenser. Well, 2 of them. And then we're gonna have to make a fireworks dispenser. Then you can make those with that. I'll make some of those. Okay. We'll make probably. We'll make just the regular ones. How do we get the paper again? Because I haven't played Minecraft in for just a little bit. Paper. How do we make the paper? Not just craftables, so we can figure out. Okay, sugarcane. I have sugarcane. I just don't remember where I put it. Right there. And I'm gonna make a farm for sugarcane too, guys. So that's something you guys are gonna need to figure out for me how I'm gonna do that. I know how to do it. I just don't know if I have enough right here. I don't know why I put those here, but yeah. I just didn't know if I had enough here for it to do this. Oh god. No, we're not doing that either. I don't think I picked that up either, so I don't know. I'm just gonna grab a lot more so I can just do it. And that over there in that distance right there, where my circle thing is, where I'm trying to hit it, that is something I done in creative. That was because I was trying to figure out what I was gonna do. I don't do the cheats anymore unless if it's only like sometime when it's weather, I just do clear, and that's about it. Because I don't like the weather being all freaking rainy, so freaking annoying. And I'm not even lying. Why did I say lying? Not even lying, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go get me some more of the sugar cane so I can actually. Why haven't I made a shovel yet? I just don't want a shovel, I guess. But I'm gonna need a shovel too, and the water is gonna make me go faster, so why wasn't I not in the water? That's a tip you guys need to know. The water makes you faster if you're like swimming to an island or something, or trying to go to an island. Use the water because it's a lot faster. Even though if there are drowns in here, you can just dodge them, like going like this and stuff. Dodge them, and yeah. But you can still get to islands faster. I need food. And now, yeah. So I'm gonna go get me some more sugar cane. I don't know where any is, but I'll find me some soon. I'll be right. Wait. Okay. I didn't see the thing. I'm like, wait, what? But I'm gonna be right. Wait, guys. I'm not getting the sugar cane yet because I found a zombie villager. No, I'm not good at this. He's gonna die. He's gonna die. Come here, villager. Give me a lot. Give me a lot. Trying to trick me. Come here. Here, go under. Here, go right here. Come here. Come here. Don't hit me. No! No! Go back into water. I got an idea too. He just needs to figure the idea out. No! No! I was gonna do this. And I don't know how that was gonna work because then he would have drowned. He wouldn't have drowned, but he would have died because the fire. What was I trying to do? What was I trying to do there? I'm just gonna send my dirt back to you. Use the dirt to suck the off of me. And if I find another one and it's nighttime, well, I'll be right back. And I'm back, and I ended up with a total of 28. And also, I am waiting for these to grow, and they're not growing out, and I'm just waiting and waiting. And I don't even need them to grow anymore because I got 28, but I was just waiting and waiting for them to grow. And then I saw something in the distance, and I was like, and now I'm doing this too. Okay, I got how many seeds? 4 seeds, yes. Somehow I lost one of my seeds. I was like, how did I lose this seed? Then I finally figured out where it went. And I couldn't ever get it because it glitched out. Now I get to do this. Paper, 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 paper. 27 pieces of paper. Okay. And I need gunpowder to make this too. Wait. Do that and that. And there's rockets. But, first of all, I'm gonna try and find more gunpowder. Wait, I found some. Okay. I've got 11 now. But I'm also gonna have to try and kill some more creepers. Since, I don't know, probably, I'm not gonna have any, I'm not gonna have 2 stacks at all. And that's another thing that's not gonna work out for me. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna have to try and figure out somewhere a cave is so I can find some creepers and some creepers. And get a lot of gunpowder. So, also, I'll be right back again. Okay, guys, I couldn't find any caves around, so I just waited till it was nighttime, and so now it's starting to turn day. See, there's a skeleton over there. I am not doing that. Okay, remember, I said I only used to change weather because I hate weather, but now it's turning to day. There's a skeleton over there that's now burning. And now I'm gonna go try and craft some more rockets. And I cannot make a stack at all. Or I cannot make 2 stacks at all. Why is this not growing? Please grow. Just grow. Why is it not growing? Why? 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 I'll dance around here until you grow. But, yeah, guys, this is where I'm going to end it for now. So, yeah, bye, guys.